Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsey, and if you're new here, welcome. So we're gonna be doing another headband wig. I'm just gonna be using this old Outre Half Wig that I had in my closet. So first I detangled it, I washed it, revamped the wig. Have a video coming up showing you guys how I revamp a synthetic wig. So here I just used some bobby pins to hold the headband, quote unquote headband, in place, just to know where I'm gonna attach it. So I turn the wig inside out, and then we're just gonna start stitching. So I just kind of use some small stitching just to attach the headband to the front part of the wig. Now, fun fact, this headband is not actually a headband. This headband is from like a men's sock that I had, and I just decided to cut the sock and create the headband. So moving from bras, if you have watched my previous headband wig video, you know that we used a bra, now we're using a sock. Like, I'm just using everything that I can find around the house just to get these wigs done. So I'm just doing some free stitching, nothing crazy, nothing fancy, but I did go in tiny bits just so the thread is not obvious on the other side. And I didn't stitch all the way through to the hair. I just kind of gauged it and just knew where to stitch, but I'm sure when you flip it over you'll be able to tell how deep to go with the stitching. So now that we've attached the headband to it, I'm just checking, and you see that little flap? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stitch that down. So now I secured the edges onto the wig. So now we're just gonna attach some velcro. Yes guys, I finally got some velcro, not a bra strap. So this velcro now, it's just like peel off velcro. So if you want, you can just peel it off and stick it onto the back, or you can sew it, or you can glue it. I just decided to just peel it off and stick it to the other side. Honestly, I wasn't in any mood to do any gluing or extra stitching, so I just did what it came with. So I already did my edges, and I finally found a wig cap, thank God. And now I'm just gonna put the wig on my head, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and strap the back. I'm sure you guys know how to use velcro, and here we go. I just added a leopard cheetah print scarf to conceal that black headband that we had, and I'm gonna show you guys some different looks that I achieved with this headband wig. Super easy, super simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all socials at __ Lindsey Beth, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time, bye guys.